you lose time every day? You start something, then you stop. You check your phone, suddenly 1 hour is gone. Today, we talk about how to stop that. Stay with us. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Englishman, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
And hello to you too, Max. How are you today?
I am really good, thank you. A little tired, but good.
A little tired. Why are you tired today?
I stayed up too late last night. I was reading.
That sounds like you, Max, always reading something.
What about you, Lily? How was your day?
My day is great. I had a good breakfast this morning. I felt very ready.
Oh, a good breakfast. That is a great way to start the day.
I agree. A good start makes everything easier.
So today we have a very useful topic.
Yes, today we are talking about time, specifically how to stop wasting time and stay focused.
Focused. That means you give all your attention to one thing.
Right, and wasting time means doing things that are not useful.
This topic is so important. For beginners, knowing this vocabulary helps in real life.
You can talk about your day, you can explain your habits, you can say what helps you work better.
Exactly. These are real words for real life.
And before we start, we have a small request.
Please subscribe to our channel so you never miss a lesson.
And if this video helps you, give it a thumbs up. It really helps people find us.
We want to help as many people as possible, so thank you for your support.
Okay, let us begin.
So, Lily, let us start simple. What does it mean to waste time?
To waste time. That means you use your time for something not important.
Not important, yes. Give me an example.
Okay, I sometimes pick up my phone, I look at videos. One video becomes 10 videos.
Oh, yes, one video becomes 10 videos. I know that feeling very well.
And then I look at the clock and 1 hour is gone.
1 hour is gone, exactly. We call that losing track of time.
Losing track of time. That means you forget about time. You do not notice it passing.
Right, time passes and you do not notice.
That happens to me a lot with my phone.
Me too, me too.
So, what is the opposite of wasting time?
The opposite is using your time well, or we can say being productive.
Productive. What does that mean?
Productive means you do useful things, you finish tasks, you feel good at the end of the day.
Oh, I love that feeling when you finish your work and you feel satisfied.
Satisfied, that means you feel good, you feel complete.
Yes, that feeling is wonderful.
Now, to be productive, you need to stay focused.
Stay focused. What does focused mean again?
Focused means your attention is on one thing, only one thing.
Not your phone, not the TV, just your task.
Exactly, your task, the thing you need to do.
So, what stops people from staying focused?
Good question. Many things. First, distractions.
Distractions. What is a distraction?
A distraction is anything that pulls your attention away.
Oh, like a notification on your phone.
Yes, a notification is a distraction. A noise is a distraction. A person talking near you, that can also be a distraction.
I see. So distractions come from outside.
Sometimes outside, sometimes inside too.
Inside?
Yes, like thinking about something else. Your mind goes somewhere else.
Oh, yes. Sometimes I sit down to work, but my mind thinks about dinner.
Your mind thinks about dinner.
I can't help it. Food is important.
Food is very important, but maybe after the task.
Okay, okay, after the task.
So we have two types of distractions. Outside distractions, like noise and phones, and inside distractions, like thoughts.
That is very clear. I like that.
Now, what can we do? How do we stay focused?
One thing I do, I put my phone away, far away, not on the table, in another room.
You put your phone in another room. That is smart.
Because if I see my phone, I pick it up. It's automatic.
Automatic. That means you do it without thinking. It happens by itself.
Yes, I don't plan to pick up my phone, but my hand just goes there.
Your hand just goes there. I understand completely.
So I remove the distraction. I put it away.
Remove the distraction. That is a great tip.
And it really helps me stay on task.
Stay on task. That means you continue working. You do not stop.
Right, you keep going. You finish what you started.
Wonderful. So we have some great vocabulary already. We just covered some powerful words. But wait, we have even more coming. Stay with us. The next part will help you even more.
Okay, let me recap. So far, we have waste time, lose track of time, productive, stay focused, distraction, automatic, remove the distraction, stay on task.
Okay, let us keep going.
Okay, Max, I want to talk about something else, setting goals.
Setting goals. Yes, that is so important.
What does set a goal mean?
To set a goal means to decide what you want to do. You choose a target.
A target, like I want to finish this chapter today. That's a goal.
Exactly. That is a goal. A clear, simple goal.
And having a goal helps you stay focused, right?
It helps so much because you know exactly what you are doing. You have direction.
Direction. That means you know where you're going.
Right. When you have direction, you do not get lost.
I love that. I love having a plan for the day.
Me too. I write my goals every morning.
You write them down?
Yes, writing goals down makes them more real, more serious.
I just think about my goals. I don't write them.
Ah, Lily, write them down. It really helps.
Okay, I will try.
Just a small list, 3 things, maybe 4.
3 or 4 goals. That's manageable.
Manageable. That means it's not too much. You can do it.
Yes, not 10 goals, not 20, just a few.
Start small, then grow.
I like that. Start small, then grow.
Now, there's another word I want to talk about. Prioritize.
Prioritize. That sounds big. What does it mean?
Prioritize means you decide what is most important. You do the big thing first.
Oh, do the most important thing first.
Yes, not the easy thing, the important thing.
Ugh, but the easy thing feels so good to do first.
I know, everyone feels that way.
You finish the easy task, you feel good, but the big task is still there.
Still waiting. Yes, the big task waits for you.
So we should do the hard, important thing first.
Exactly. Finish the priority first, then the rest is easy.
I'm going to try that tomorrow.
Try it today, right after this video.
Right after this video. Okay,
Now, let's talk about breaks.
breaks. I love breaks.
I know you do. A break means you stop working for a short time.
You stop, but on purpose, it's planned.
Right, a planned rest, not a distraction, a real break.
What's the difference?
A distraction is not planned, it just happens. A break, you decide. You say, I will rest for 10 minutes.
Oh, I see. So a break is controlled.
Controlled. That means you're in charge. You decide.
I like that word, controlled. It sounds powerful.
It is powerful because you are in control of your time.
In control of your time. That's the whole point, right?
That is the whole point. You are the boss of your own time.
The boss of your own time. I love that.
Now, I want to ask, how often do you take breaks, Lily?
Not often enough, I think. I sometimes work for a long time without stopping.
Without stopping. That can make you tired.
Very tired. And then I cannot focus anymore.
Right. Too much work without a break, your brain gets tired.
Your brain gets tired, yes, and then nothing works well.
So breaks actually help you stay focused longer.
Really? Taking a break helps you focus more?
Yes, a short break, 5 or 10 minutes, then you come back fresh.
Come back fresh. That means you feel new, you feel ready again.
Exactly. Fresh means full of energy again.
Okay, I need to take more breaks.
We all do. It's part of good time management.
Time management. That's a great phrase.
Time management means how you plan and use your time.
Good time management, you use your time well.
And bad time management, you waste time. You feel stressed.
Stressed. That means you feel worried and tired.
Yes, stress comes when you have too much to do and not enough time.
Because you did not manage your time well before.
Exactly. So good habits now, less stress later. We have covered so much, but the best part is next. We have tips you can use today, right now. Keep watching.
Okay, let us list our new words. We have set a goal, target, direction, manageable, prioritize, break, controlled, in control, come back fresh, time management, stressed.
Say them again, everyone. Set a goal, target, direction, manageable, prioritize, break, controlled, in control, come back fresh, time management, stressed.
Great job. Now, tips time.
You stayed with us. Good. Now we give you real tips, simple things you can do today to save time, to stay focused. Let us go.
Okay, what is tip number 1?
Tip 1. Make a simple plan every morning.
A plan every morning. I like that.
Just write down 3 things you want to finish today. Just 3.
3 things, not 10, not 20, just 3.
Because 3 is manageable. You can actually do 3 things.
And when you finish all 3, you feel amazing.
Exactly. That good feeling is called a sense of achievement.
A sense of achievement. That means you feel proud. You did what you planned.
And that feeling makes you want to do it again tomorrow.
I love that. Okay, tip number 2.
Tip 2. Remove your distractions before you start.
So put your phone away, turn off notifications.
Yes, before you sit down to work, set up your space.
Set up your space. That means you prepare your area. Make it ready for focus.
A clean, quiet space helps your brain focus faster.
That is so true. A messy space makes me feel scattered.
Scattered, that means your thoughts go everywhere, not focused.
Yes, when my desk is messy, my brain feels messy too.
So clean your space, set it up, then start.
Tip number 3,
Tip 3. Use small time blocks.
time blocks.
Yes, work for 20 minutes, then rest for 5 minutes.
Oh, so you work in short bursts.
Bursts, that means short, strong periods of effort.
Work hard for 20 minutes, then rest, then work again.
This keeps your brain from getting too tired.
And 20 minutes feels possible, not scary.
Exactly. Not scary, just 20 minutes. Anyone can do 20 minutes.
I want to try this today.
Try it. You'll be surprised how much you can do.
What is tip 4?
Tip 4. Talk to yourself kindly.
Talk to yourself kindly?
Yes, when you lose focus, do not be angry with yourself.
Oh, I do that sometimes. I say, why did I waste so much time?
We all do, but that kind of talk makes it worse.
Really? Being hard on yourself makes it worse?
Yes, instead say, okay, I lost focus, now I come back.
Just come back. No drama.
No drama, just gently return to your task.
Gently return. I love that. It sounds kind.
Be kind to yourself. Progress is not perfect, it's just forward.
Progress is not perfect. It's just forward. That is beautiful.
Thank you, I thought of it just now.
You are very wise today, Max. Okay, everyone. Before we say goodbye, we have a small challenge for you.
Yes, a comment challenge, and this one is easy.
Go to the comments below and write this sentence. My biggest distraction is blank.
For example, my biggest distraction is my phone, or my biggest distraction is noise.
Just finish the sentence. My biggest distraction is blank.
That's it, one sentence. We will read every comment.
We love reading your comments. They make us so happy.
And it's great English practice. Writing in English, even one sentence is practice.
Every sentence counts. You are doing great.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, please share it with a friend who's learning English.
Yes, share this with someone. Help them find us.
We love having you here with us. Your support means so much to us.
Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now. We have so many more lessons coming.
Every lesson is designed for you, simple, clear, and useful.
We want to see you in the next video too.
Okay, I think that's everything for today.
What a great lesson. I feel very focused just talking about focus.
Right? Talking about it helps.
To everyone watching, thank you so much. You spent your time with us today.
And that means the world to us, truly.
Keep practicing. Keep going. Every day, a little more.
You don't need to be perfect, you just need to keep moving forward.
Progress is not perfect. It's just forward.
Now you're using my line.
It's a good line. I'm keeping it.
To everyone, goodbye. See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye, everyone. Take care. And remember, your time is valuable. Use it well.
See you soon.
See you soon.